This might be the most amazing video of a rocket explosion we've ever seen. Futurism. We bet you've seen a lot of videos of exploding rockets. We'd also wager that you haven't seen one as spectacular as this new footage of a Chinese rocket BLE. EP up after landing, which is filmed so dramatically that you kinda just got to tip your hat to ever Yon involved, even if things didn't. Below are your comments. When you steal SpaceX's technology, you gotta remember to convert feet to meters. Nobody gets it right the first time. My major critique, they lingered too long. Falcon 9 boosters look like they're going to crash as they come screaming in. Hovering wastes fuel and increases risk. They also cut the engine too early. Amazing drone footage though. There are whole video compilations of Falcon 9 boosters bleep up on the drone ship. If this is real, I'd say they will have it in a year or so. My biggest concern is, to me, it looks fake. Where's the shadow of the drone? Near the end where the rocket was mere feet from landing, the shadow of the drone should have been visible. I ain't seeing one. The star of the show is a Nebula 1 launch vehicle, a reusable, two-stage, correction. Possibly sometimes reusable. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.